Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from AceBeam. Now this is their L17. I had done a previous review on this model of their white version. The one I have now is the green version. Comes in this box. So now let's go ahead and take a look here at the specs. As you can see, 2000 lumens on the highest output on this LED, which is more than the white LED. So let's wait no further, let's open it up and see what's in. Take the light out. And we'll open this up. You get a nice lanyard. And this is a nice size as well for larger hands. And you get one extra power switch cover. You get a USB charging cable, and you don't lose a USB port simply by charging your flashlight. They provide an extra one on the side. Nice. Here's the user manual. Pretty small. Get the warranty card as well. Warning letting you know about the lithium battery. Holster is nice. It's got a D-ring on there. Quick release on the Velcro as well. Lined. Nice quality on that holster. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the light. There it is. Gray bezel on here. Everything's identical to the previous. Only difference is the LED color. Heavy duty on that clip. Tactical ring. Tail clicky. This is a compact light. Pretty small, but an extreme dedicated thrower on this light. The spill's a little on the weak side on the white one, but people needing that extended range for the size and the price, you really can't beat the AceBeam L17. Heat sinking here on the head. Take this protective piece off. Style design on this is very nice. And the machining and finish on this is very nice as well. Alright, So now let's go ahead and take a look here at the special optics. Now this is running the green OSRAM LED. Now they don't give a particular model number, but it's behind there. So now let's go ahead and take it apart and I'll show you the insides. Well greased threads. Tail spring. Take the battery out. You've got the protection piece in here. You want to remove that. The battery that it comes with again is nice, high output, 3100 milliamp. This is an 18650. It should give you plenty of run time on this as well. Charging on the go. This will turn red when charging, green when finished. Alright, so now let's go ahead and put it in here. Let's go ahead and get started on the UI. There it is there. So you can see how intense that hotspot is. A little bit of spill area, not much. And you're going to press and hold to go through those light outputs. Or you can hold it down. Double half press will get you the highest output that this has. See how narrow that beam is? Click that one time to turn it off. It does have memory mode on the lower light outputs. Turn it off. Turn it back on. So that's nice. Only memory mode it doesn't have is for turbo. And that's all there is to this. Great for if you're a hunter. Green is going to intensify your vision, especially if you're using a special night vision goggles or headset. So let's wait no further. Let's take this outside. See how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the AceBeam L17, but in green. Started off on the lowest level. That's the absolute lowest level. 35 feet to that water spout. 65 feet to that tree there from where I'm standing. This is the lowest light output. You have to press and hold to get to it. Not too sure if I showed that earlier. See if it'll make a tree of life. And it does. 138 feet. That's impressive. Alright, we're going to go to the next level here on the fence line. See that laser beam? Now it does have a little bit of a spill area, but it tapers off quite quickly. Easily making it to those parks, across the park, to those playgrounds, that is. Now for people that hunt or do nighttime explorations, this is going to be ideal for you, especially if you're needing range. Alright, we're going to go next level here on the school. See how it does. Making the palm tree, first one that is. And again, this is definitely a dedicated compact thrower. 800 meters of range is pretty amazing. There it is on that playground there. Alright, we're going to go to the next level. See how it does. That's high. You can see the spill area. Somewhat usable. Not totally tunnel or laser beam like, but definitely close to it. You can see there. Got those trees way out in the distance. Making those with these. Again, that tree there behind the Tree of Life, 238 feet. As you see there, it's making the trees now. Even the furthest one. Alright, let's do the highest output here on the palm trees. See how it does. Oh yeah. With these. Making them with these. Look at that. If you're needing a colored green color that is on the LED, this is going to be your light. Got plenty of usable spill. Again, it's got some really good range on this. Tree line, fence line, do a beam profile here. Alright, hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Impressive beam performance again. I'm not gonna ever use a green LED light, but if I was a hunter, definitely would be in the need to get this because of the super intense hotspot that you can easily throw. 800 and something meters is huge amount of light, plus it fits right in your hand. Easy to turn on and off. Really nice design as well. Not seeing any issues, especially in performance. Also, it coming with the battery, that's a huge plus. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look at it in the holster. Again, good quality on the holster. 2 thumbs up to AceBeam on that. More than enough protection and space as well. Fits it nicely. Now I want to thank AceBeam for sending me this L17 green version to review. Now if this is something you are interested in getting, remember this is a complete kit. I'll leave a link to their store down in the description area, just in case you're interested in getting this. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these AceBeam products to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.